Imagine this. Our planet, the Earth, suddenly stops spinning, just for 5 seconds. It seems impossible, doesn't it? Our planet is always in motion, whirling through space. But what if this motion stopped, even for a brief moment? The consequences would be devastating. The effects would be felt around the globe, from the tallest mountains to the deepest oceans. Everything we know about our world, from the cycle of day and night to the very air we breathe, depends on Earth's constant spin. Let's explore what would happen if our planet took a 5-second break from its cosmic dance. The results would be nothing short of catastrophic. To understand the chaos that would ensue, we need to appreciate the speed and power of Earth's rotation. This rotation is not just a simple spin, it's a complex dance of forces that keeps our planet in balance. At the equator, our planet spins at a dizzying 1,000 miles per hour. This incredible speed is what gives us the rhythm of day and night, a cycle that has been ongoing for billions of years. This constant motion is invisible to us, but its effects are profound. It shapes the weather patterns, influences ocean currents, and even affects the way we live our daily lives. It's why we have day and night, a seamless transition that we often take for granted but is crucial for life on Earth. Why the oceans have currents, which are essential for regulating the climate and supporting marine life. And why our atmosphere is held in place, creating a protective shield that allows life to thrive. This rotation is a fundamental force in our lives, even if we rarely think about it. It affects everything from the weather we experience to the way we measure time. It's like the Earth is a giant spinning top, and we are just along for the ride, experiencing the benefits and challenges of this perpetual motion. But what happens if someone puts a finger on that spinning top, bringing it to a sudden halt? The sudden stop would unleash unimaginable forces. The consequences would be felt across the entire planet. The atmosphere would continue to move at its original speed, causing devastating winds and massive destruction. The oceans would surge, creating tsunamis and flooding. Life as we know it would be irrevocably changed. The first and most immediate effect of Earth's sudden stop would be catastrophic winds. The atmosphere, still carrying its momentum from the planet's rotation, would continue to move at over 1,000 miles per hour. Imagine winds stronger than any hurricane tearing across the surface of the Earth. Buildings would be ripped from their foundations, trees would be uprooted like twigs, the very landscape would be reshaped by these unimaginable forces. The winds themselves would be powerful enough to cause widespread destruction, but the debris they carry would be equally deadly. The air itself would become a weapon, scouring the Earth clean. As if the winds weren't enough, the oceans would also react violently to Earth's sudden stop. The momentum of the water would send colossal tidal waves crashing onto shorelines around the world. Imagine walls of water, hundreds of feet high, engulfing coastal cities and low-lying areas. These tsunamis wouldn't be like the ones we see on the news. These would be on an unprecedented scale, dwarfing anything in recorded history. Entire coastlines would be redrawn, swallowed by the relentless advance of the sea. No coastal city would be safe from the wrath of the oceans. Section 5. Day and night disrupted. A world in chaos. The familiar cycle of day and night is also governed by Earth's rotation. If our planet stopped spinning, even for 5 seconds, this cycle would be thrown into disarray. The side of Earth facing the sun would experience a prolonged day, with temperatures soaring to unbearable levels. Meanwhile, the side facing away from the sun would be plunged into an extended night, with temperatures plummeting below freezing. This sudden and extreme shift in temperature would be devastating for life on Earth. The delicate balance of our planet's ecosystem would be shattered. Section 6. Gravity's grip loosens. Chaos in the atmosphere. Earth's rotation also plays a crucial role in maintaining our planet's gravity and atmosphere. This constant spinning motion creates a balance that is essential for life as we know it. Without this rotation, the forces that keep our atmosphere stable would be disrupted. The centrifugal force generated by the spin helps to hold our atmosphere in place and keeps us firmly planted on the ground. This force acts like an invisible hand, ensuring that the air we breathe remains evenly distributed around the globe. If this force were to suddenly disappear, even for a few seconds, the consequences would be chaotic. The atmosphere would lose its equilibrium, leading to immediate and dramatic changes in weather patterns and air pressure. The atmosphere would start to redistribute itself, potentially leading to thinner air in some regions and dangerously dense air in others. This imbalance could cause severe weather events, making some areas uninhabitable while others might experience extreme conditions. Gravity, though still present, would be slightly weaker without the centrifugal force. This weakening might seem minor, but it would have profound implications for everything from ocean tides to the structural integrity of buildings. This might seem insignificant, but even a small change in gravity could have unpredictable effects on our planet and its inhabitants. Animals and humans alike would feel the difference, potentially affecting our health and daily activities. Our planet's delicate balance would be thrown off kilter. The interconnected systems that sustain life would be disrupted, leading to a cascade of environmental and ecological consequences. The stability we often take for granted is more fragile than we realize. Section 7. The Aftermath. A scarred and unfamiliar Earth. After just 5 seconds of standstill, the Earth would begin to spin again. But the damage would be done. Our planet would be a very different place, scarred by the unimaginable forces unleashed during those brief moments. The landscape would be unrecognizable, reshaped by wind, water, and extreme temperatures. Coastal cities would be gone, swallowed by the sea. The atmosphere itself would be altered, potentially making it difficult for many life forms to survive. The Earth we knew would be gone forever. Section 8. The importance of spin, a delicate balance. The hypothetical scenario of Earth stopping its rotation for 5 seconds highlights the critical importance of our planet's constant spin. This seemingly simple motion underpins so many aspects of our world, from the cycle of day and night to the very air we breathe. It's a delicate balance, this cosmic dance that Earth performs. And while the idea of our planet suddenly stopping is highly unlikely, it serves as a stark reminder of the awesome forces at play in our universe and the fragile nature of our existence. Our planet's rotation is a force to be reckoned with. Section 9. Could it really happen? The unlikelihood of a sudden stop. Now you might be wondering if there's anything that could actually cause Earth to stop spinning. The short answer is, it's highly unlikely. The forces required to stop a planet as massive as ours are almost unimaginable. There are no known celestial objects or cosmic events that could exert that kind of force on Earth. So, while it's a fascinating thought experiment, you can rest assured that our planet is not going to suddenly grind to a halt anytime soon. Our planet is here to stay, spinning through space. Section 10. Our spinning home. A reminder of its power and fragility. The idea of Earth stopping its rotation even for a few seconds may seem like the stuff of science fiction. Imagine the chaos that would ensue, the unimaginable forces at play, and the sheer magnitude of such an event, but it serves as a powerful reminder of the incredible forces that govern our universe and the delicate balance that makes life on Earth possible. The gravitational pull, the centrifugal forces, and the intricate dance of celestial bodies all contribute to the stability we often overlook. We often take our planet for granted, forgetting that it's a dynamic and ever-changing system. The weather patterns, ocean currents, and even the shifting tectonic plates are all part of this grand symphony. It's a delicate dance of gravity, motion, and energy, and even the slightest disruption could have catastrophic consequences. A minor shift in this balance could lead to dramatic changes in climate, sea levels, and the very fabric of our existence. So the next time you look up at the night sky, remember the incredible journey our planet is on, spinning through the vastness of space. Each rotation, each orbit, is a testament to the intricate and awe-inspiring mechanics of our universe. It's a journey we should never take for granted. Our planet's beauty and fragility are reminders of the responsibility we have to protect and cherish this unique home. Every moment, every day, Earth continues its majestic voyage, a journey that is as fragile as it is powerful.